Let me tell you the story of the donkey and his driver. A donkey was being driven along a road leading down the mountainside when he suddenly took it into his silly head to choose his own path. He could see his stall at the foot of the mountain, and to him the quickest way down seemed to be over the edge of the nearest cliff. Just as he was about to leap over, his master caught him by the tail and tried to pull him back. But the stubborn donkey would not yield, and he pulled with all his might. "Very well," said his master. "Go your way, you willful beast, and see where it leads you." With that, he let go, and the foolish donkey tumbled head over heels down the mountainside. The moral lesson of this Aesop fable story is, those who will not listen to reason and stubbornly go on their own way against the friendly advice of those who are wiser than them are on the road to misfortune. Thank you very much.